Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this creative outline on CapCut mobile. So select your video or photo, select add and select the picture or the media, whatever it is you have, and select cut out. Then you're going to select customize cutout. You're going to select remove background, and then you're going to select cutout stroke, and it will basically add like this outline. You can choose paper stroke, basic hand drawn, but they have some other free options as well, like this one, and I want it, for instance, the same color, well, kind of similar color to her outfit. You can adjust the size of the dot and stuff, and the distance as well here. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. You can upgrade your videos with this. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!